Hello, everybody. Hope you all had a good Thanksgiving. I'm sure you can hear that my voice is still not completely there. If you watched my and Lindsay's live stream from Wednesday, you know that I was really struggling. So the way it is right now is actually an improvement. I am feeling better, but my voice is being slow to return completely. Anyways, it is Thanksgiving at almost 2 p.m. now. We're going to be eating in a little bit. I've been down in the kitchen with the kids all morning, cooking all kinds of delicious stuff, and it's getting real close to being done. But I wanted to sit down and chat with you for a little bit. We got some new flavors from Keto Chow to try, and we did film a taste test video on that. There is one new flavor of Keto Chow, which is the classic cake donut. That was a surprise flavor this year. And then there's 3 new flavors of salty. There's cherry, grapefruit, and lemon lime. And so we did a taste test, and that is before my throat went out on me. And so I will go ahead and put that taste test in here, and then I will come back and give my thoughts on it. We filmed that taste test with mostly my husband, but I think 1 or 2 of the kids wanted to taste as well. And I was like, well, I'll just, do my little spiel, my intro, and give my thoughts later. And then I got sick, and then I lost my voice completely. And so now I'm coming in here at the last minute because I really wanted this video to be ready for you guys on Black Friday. So you're just going to have to deal with the voice on this one. We'll go ahead and listen to the taste test from the family, and then I will be back to tell you my thoughts. Did we get a package?
Yes, we did.
Who's it from?
Keto Chow.
Ooh.
Wait, the classic cake donut. Ooh. Mine.
There's also something else in here.
What is that? It's salty. Is it a new flavor of salty? New flavor.
Oh my goodness. Look at how cute these look.
So fancy. Oh.
Cherry chill.
Chili?
It's cherry for, it's not chili, chill.
Chill.
Cherry chili would be interesting.
Yeah. Cherry chill.
Cherry for charity.
Yay.
Cherry for charity. Groovy grapefruit.
Lemon lime twist.
And lemon lime twist. They used to have the citrus splash. Citrus. And it wasn't great, but hopefully this is an improvement.
I want to try this one.
I know, we're going to do a taste test of all of these. So we have 3 new flavors of salty electrolytes, 1 new flavor of Keto Chow. You don't
for Keto Chow.
You don't know any of the flavors, correct?
Pink, green, red, and purple.
Yeah, exactly. So grab the first one, and so you have to guess what flavor it is, and then you have to tell me if you like it or not.
Okay. I know that flavor. So it tastes like Twizzlers.
Oh, I haven't tasted them yet.
Like the old Twizzlers where you pull the one little piece off the big thing. It tastes like Twizzlers.
Okay. What flavor is Twizzler going for?
Cherry.
The flavor is cherry chill.
There you go. Very different. This one's tough.
Really?
This one, it's way less flavor. I like it less than the cherry.
Oh, okay. Do you have a guess of what the flavor is?
It's definitely just got citric acid in it.
It doesn't have citric acid. That's one of their points. They have malic acid,
Okay.
not citric acid.
So it's acidic.
It's acidic.
I guess it's just orange. Or mandarin, or it's something like orange.
It's something like orange.
Grapefruit?
No.
But it's not grapefruit. It doesn't have that grapefruit. It just tastes like orange. It tastes like really weak orange flavor.
That's what it's called, weak orange.
Weak orange, I got it.
Because they have another flavor called zesty orange, so they had to have one called weak orange. Just kidding, it's not. Do you want me to tell you what it is?
Well, I guess I didn't guess it. So.
You didn't, no. I mean, they'll obviously change the name now.
Yeah.
But it's lemon lime.
Okay. It's just weak orange.
Okay, weak orange. Number 3.
Oh.
Was that a good or a bad?
There's a flavor in here I do not like.
Oh no.
It's gotten worse.
Oh, we
Like
started.
this one was just, it was middling good. It wasn't like the ones I like, but it was fine. This one,
Lemon lime.
I didn't really like it. It's tolerable.
You drink it.
This one has a flavor I describe as bad.
Oh dear.
There's an element in there that's bad.
You're not supposed to say element. I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
In a salty review, you can't say the word element.
Oh, this is salty, not element?
This is salty.
Oh, this is all Keto Chow product.
Yeah.
Oh.
Salty tea.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. These are not element.
Well, the cherry one is a success if they label it candy cherry.
Okay.
The lemon lime.
Success if they
it's
label
a
it
success
weak orange.
If they label it weak orange. Because they're both good. Like, people would enjoy them. This one. Ugh. Is it trying to be apple?
No.
That's all I got. It has a tiny, like the longest remaining aftertaste when I'm done is close to apple juice.
Okay. The name of it is Groovy Grapefruit.
Oh.
You like grapefruit juice.
I love grapefruit flavored things. I will drink unsweetened grapefruit juice. I like grapefruit. Then there's this.
Uh-oh. What's the bouquet?
Cold.
Yes. Yeah, the bouquet gets blunted when it's cold. I made this with 2 ounces of butter, like we like to do when we test a new flavor.
So first of all, I like it.
First of all, you like it.
I'm immediately getting saltwater taffy.
That's what you said about the last flavor.
I know. So it's like it's got something in the base
Yes.
that is immediate like a saltwater taffy, which I like. This is
Yes.
a positive. This is a positive thing.
There is
Something
salt.
in
Some
the-
people say Keto Chow is too salty for them.
I like it. Something in the base reminds me of saltwater taffy.
Mm-hmm.
It's nice. So then there's something on top of that. Donut.
Yep.
So there's something kind of cakey about it.
Uh-huh.
So I was thinking about saying cake, but I already have a birthday cake in there. So
Yeah,
it's like donut or something.
it is. Yeah,
It's
it's
donut.
classic cake donut.
Okay, well, if you like a saltwater taffy donut, you'll like this.
You got it. I'm impressed. I was because I feel like there's Levi's foot. I feel like there's a lot of there's birthday cake. There's the banana bread that we didn't think tasted very banana-y, so it's kind of cakey. And then the cake donut. I like to taste them back to back, and the butterscotch too. Taste them all back to back and like see the differences.
Yeah, birthday cake went through my head pretty early, but I know that's already a flavor they had. But there is something kind of cakey about it.
Yeah.
But it's like saltwater taffy butterscotch cake.
Okay. When you open the package and smell the powder, it smells like those powdered sugar donuts. The Intamins, whatever it is.
Not a sponsor.
Not a sponsor. Keto Chow is a sponsor.
Well, 3 out of 4.
3 out of 4.
3 out of 4
We're
I
good?
recommend, yeah.
So you like the cherry?
The cherry is good, just like, just like about the attitude, it's gonna be like, wacky cherry. And then lemon lime is like, it's like lemon lime.
It's very quiet. Whisper it.
Or weak orange would be better.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
then grapefruit, back to the drawing board. Because I really
okay.
I would love a good grapefruit flavor. And then there's that one.
Yeah. And then there's classic cake donut Keto Chow, which is a win.
It's delicious. And there is a cakey element to it, so okay, yeah, it's a cake donut. Butterscotch saltwater taffy cake donut.
Mm-hmm.
It's good.
All right. Pick one and taste.
That tastes like orange.
It tastes like orange.
Weak orange.
Oh, well, is that one the yeah? That's the weak orange. Lemon lime, lemon lime, weak orange.
It's fine. I like this one.
You do?
This one's good.
That was grapefruit.
This one's really good.
Okay.
I like it. Yeah, I like it.
Okay. Thumbs up.
Yes.
Did you like the weak orange one?
Yes.
So you've liked 2 out of 2 so far.
Mmm. It smells like cherry too.
You like the cherry?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I think the cherry's the best. I tasted
It's
it.
a range from worst to best.
Okay. Anne, do you know what flavor it is? Did you hear?
Yes.
Okay.
It's really good.
Yeah. Does it taste like powdered sugar donut? When's the last time you ate a powdered sugar donut?
I don't actually remember. This is really good.
Okay.
I love it.
How many out of 10?
An 8.
Nice.
So the classic cake donut flavor keto chow was a hit across the board. I don't know how they got the essence of powdered sugar in the shake. I mean, it's just powdered is a texture. How do you get that into a milkshake, protein shake? Doesn't make sense to me. Some kind of magic. I'm certain of it, but everyone loved that. So definitely recommend checking that out if you enjoy the keto chows. As far as the salty flavors, you heard my husband's opinions and he doesn't hold back. I'm used to it. Like when I cook food and things, he doesn't sugarcoat it. He'll tell me how he feels about it, which ultimately is a good thing. So he was not a fan of the grapefruit. He said the lemon lime was fine and the cherry was good. And I agree that the cherry of the 3 flavors is the best. It has a very nice like candy cherry flavor. I do agree that it's very much a candy cherry. I thought it was delicious. I think it was, they like knocked it out of the park on that one. I liked the lemon lime. I think it definitely is an improvement over the citrus. I do prefer with my citrus electrolytes for it to really have a punch, like with the citric acid type punch. And I know that they have chosen not to go with the citric acid. So totally understand that. They use malic acid instead. So it just doesn't quite have that kick you in the mouth kind of flavor, but it was still good. I still enjoyed it quite a bit. It's just very different from other citrus electrolytes like Element, and I like variety, so I'm not upset that it's different. I like that they're not all the same. Now the grapefruit, my husband was very much against that one, which kind of confused me because I thought that they captured like an essence of grapefruit that was spot on. Like there's one note in there that's just like, that's grapefruit. And I thought it was like perfectly grapefruit. I think I drank it and I was like trying to figure out what my husband was tasting that he didn't like. And the only thing I can come to is that he didn't like the stevia aftertaste. I did feel like that particular flavor had a stronger stevia aftertaste than other flavors. And I have noticed that with stevia, some flavors, especially like chocolate or certain other flavors, they just don't hide the stevia aftertaste as much. And for whatever reason, that grapefruit just had a little more of that to me. Not enough to make me not like it. I really liked it. I thought it was really good. And again, very different from the Element grapefruit. The Element grapefruit is very much the citric acid punch you in the face. The salty grapefruit had that essence of grapefruit in there that was very much a flavor and not like a sourness. Not the same. So it's so different. It's just, you can't compare them. It's like comparing grapefruits to grapefruits. Anyways, so I really enjoyed all 3 flavors. Cherry, probably my favorite. Grapefruit was my second. And the lemon lime was my third. It was just, kind of basic, I guess, which you kind of want your lemon lime to be a basic flavor. So that is all of my thoughts on the new flavors from Keto Chow and Salty. Definitely think they did a great job with them. They have a bunch of Black Friday deals going on right now, like some money off if you spend a certain amount, so you can get some really good deals if you want to stock up. They have the new flavors for you to try. They sell out of flavors pretty quickly sometimes. So if you want to try them, definitely head over to the website and check them out quick. I will put all of the details down in the description below. I hope you guys, again, had a great Thanksgiving and a good Black Friday. and that you don't break the bank. Only buy things that, are really useful to you or that you need or that you can afford. That's the other thing. Don't go into debt for all these things. But that is it for me for now. I hope you guys are doing great, and happy Black Friday.